Yeah, welcome to Corrosive Online Tutorials, where complex topics are made simple. In this our short video, I'll be discussing the types of acid we have in chemistry. And basically, acids are of two types. We have the inorganic acid and we have the organic acid. Okay, the inorganic acid are the man-made acid. These are acids that can be prepared in the laboratory, while the organic acid are the natural occurring acid. Okay, now an example of the inorganic acid, we have hydrochloric acid, which is called HCl. Also sulfuric acid, which is H2XO4, is an example of inorganic acid. HNO3 also is an example of inorganic acid. Perchloric acid with this formula ClO4 is an example of what? Inorganic acid. Even boric acid H3BO3, boric acid is an example of inorganic acid. Not only that, we have a handful of them. Even your phosphoric acid, I can go on and on. All these are mineral acids. These are man-made acid. Okay, they can be prepared in the laboratory. Now let's talk about the organic acid. Let's talk about the organic acid. The organic acid. The organic acid, I'm going to give you the organic acid and the source where we can find it. Okay, now example of organic acid. Okay, number one, we have tartaric acid. Now let's look at the source. Where can we find it? Okay, we can find it in pineapples. Pineapples. Not only that, you can find it in grapes or tamarind. Tartaric acid. Okay, if you watch my video on the uses of acid, I have explained it extensively there. The uses of acid, you will see the uses of tartaric acid there. Number two, also we have what we call citric acid. Now citric acid has a source, and the source is from citrus fruits, okay, like the lemon, oranges. Okay, you get your citric what? Acid. Also you have malic acid. Your malic acid can be found in apples. And in grapes. You can find your malic acid in apples and grapes. Also, number four, we have also what we call oxalic acid or xylic acid. Okay, oxalic acid. Now, this oxalic acid can be found in tomatoes. Okay, the oxalic acid can be found in tomatoes or spinach. You can also get it in spinach. Okay, not only that, we have the oleic acid. Number five, we have the oleic acid. The oleic acid can be found in olive oil. You can find the oleic acid in olive oil. Number six, we have stearic acid. All these acids, they are organic acid. We have a handful of them. Okay, the stearic acid can be found in fats. Okay, can be found in fats. Okay, we also have number 7, we have acetic acid. Acetic acid can be found in vinegar. Okay, acetic acid can be found in vinegar. Number eight, we have butyric acid. Number eight, we have butyric acid. Butyric acid is an organic acid and it can be found in rancid butter. You can find it in rancid butter or milk. Okay. Number nine, lactic acid. Okay, lactic acid. Number nine, lactic acid. Okay, it's an organic acid. Lactic acid can be found in milk. Get it in milk. Okay. Then number 10, which is why we stop the last one, is formic acid. Formic acid. Number 10 is a formic acid. Now, formic acid can be found in ants, or you get it in bees. Okay, these are the various organic acid and their sources. Now, let's talk about the preparation of acid. The preparation of acid. How do we prepare acid? Now, I will discuss just two common ways of preparing acid. Two common ways. Preparation of acids. Okay, I'll discuss just two common ways. Number one, you can prepare acid by direct combination. By direct combination of constituent elements. By direct combination of constituent elements. Okay, in the presence of a catalyst. Okay, in the presence of a catalyst. In the presence of a catalyst. Okay, now let me give you an example of an acid. Hydrochloric acid is an acid. Now, if I want to produce this, and this acid is made up of two elements, you can see hydrogen and chlorine. So when you combine hydrogen and chlorine under a certain condition, you get hydrochloric acid. For example, now let me combine it. I have hydrogen coming together with chlorine. Now, this reaction will take place in the presence of a catalyst. The catalyst is known as activated charcoal. Activated charcoal. When I use it, I will get the acid HCl. Now, if I'm using bromine, for example, if I'm using bromine, the suitable catalyst I will use, it's not this one, but I will use platinum. Okay, use platinum as a catalyst, you get your products. So, one way of preparing the acid is by direct combination of constituent elements. Okay, now the second method of preparing acid is reacting the acid anhydride plus water. Reaction of acid anhydride plus water. Acid anhydride plus water will give you acid. Okay, what is an acid anhydride? An acid anhydride is acid minus water. For example, look at H2XO4 is an acid. So what is the acid anhydride of this acid? Minus water from it. What do you have left? Minus water from it. Okay, so you are moving two hydrogen is gone. You're moving one oxygen. What you now have will be XO3. So XO3 is the acid anhydride of H2XO4. Now let me give you another example again. Look at H2CO3. Now, this one is an acid. Now, minus water from it to get the acid anhydride. Now, when you remove two hydrogen from here, is gone. Remove one oxygen. What you have left is CO2. So carbon 4 oxide is an acid anhydride of this acid. Okay, so when I say the reaction between acid and anhydride plus water, you now understand what I'm saying now. For example, let's go. For example, if I have what I say, if I have XO3 plus water combined, I will get H2XO4. This is acid anhydride plus water. Also, when I have carbon 4 oxide plus water, I will get the acid H2CO3. So this is what we call the reaction of acid anhydride plus water to give you what? The acid. In my next video, I'll be talking about the properties, the physical and the chemical properties of an acid. Until then, thank you and bye.